This video will cover the miscellaneous settings here in WishList Member. So again, advanced options and miscellaneous. So there's two big ones here, two options here. The first one is if you want to show the Powered by WishList Member link in the footer of your site. It's off by default, but if you want to show that or you're an affiliate, then you can show that. And if you place your affiliate ID in here, we will make this link your proper affiliate link. So if you want to do that, you can turn that on and drop your affiliate ID in here. Otherwise, you can leave that off. And then this one is prioritize a WishList member to the top of the WordPress menu. So if you'll notice by default, WishList member has moved up to the top here, is at the top here. You know, we thought a lot about that decision and ultimately came to, you know, the decision to put it up there in order to work better with our menu, but also most of the time when someone is running WishList member on their site, that's sort of the main system that they're using, and so having it at the top sort of makes sense. But if you don't like that, you can click turn this off. This option is on by default. You can turn this off and it'll move back down here in this section here, depending on what plugins you have installed and so forth. It'll move back down towards the bottom. So that's what this option does, and that is the miscellaneous section in WishList member.